How to set up vulnerability scanning for Docker images in GCP Artifact Registry. Introduction. Vulnerability scanning is the process of identifying security vulnerabilities in software and applications. It plays a crucial role in cybersecurity by detecting potential weaknesses in container images that could be exploited by attackers. By conducting regular vulnerability scans, organizations can proactively identify and mitigate security risks, ensuring the security and integrity of their containerized applications. Importance of vulnerability scanning for container images. Ensuring the security of containerized applications is paramount in today's cloud-native landscape. Vulnerability scanning for container images is essential as it helps in identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before deployment. This proactive approach to security not only protects the applications and data, but also helps organizations comply with security best practices and regulatory requirements. Integration with GCP Artifact Registry. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Artifact Registry is a managed service that provides a secure and scalable solution for storing container images. It offers built-in support for vulnerability scanning, enhancing the security of container images by automatically identifying potential security vulnerabilities. Prerequisites. A Google Cloud account is required to access and manage GCP services, including Artifact Registry API. A Google Cloud project with the Artifact Registry API enabled. What is covered in this video? We will create the Artifact Registry and enable the vulnerability scanning. Creating a custom Docker image using Cloud Shell. Push the image to the Artifact Registry. Verify the scan report of the image. Creating an Artifact Registry and a custom Docker image using Cloud Shell, then pushing the image to the Artifact Registry. Create the Artifact Registry and enable the vulnerability scanning. Creating a custom image using Cloud Shell. Pushing the image to the Artifact Registry. Log into your GCP account and navigate to the Artifact Registry. Click the Create repository. I've named it demotest, but you can use any name you prefer. I'll leave the format and mode sections as default. Location type section. I select the multi-region, and region I choose Asia. I'll leave the other options as default. Click Create. We created repository successfully. Now go to the repository settings. We can see the vulnerability scanning. Click Enable. Now that we've enabled vulnerability scanning, let's go back to the repository we created earlier. Select that repository. Currently, there are no images in this repository. Let's push an image to this repository to check if the vulnerability scan occurs. Select the setup instruction. Copy the Docker auth command. Click the Cloud Shell icon. This will open a terminal within the GCP console. Click the Maximize icon to go full screen. Paste the Docker auth command that we copied. We created a Dockerfile and used the image HTTPD 2.4.59, create a sample index.html. Let's build the Dockerfile. Execute the following command. Docker build -t demotest. We have provided all the execution commands in the description. You can reference them there. To list the Docker image, execute following command. Docker images. We can see the image that we built. Minimize the terminal and copy the repository path. Tag the image we built with the following command. Docker tag demotest, paste the copied path of repo, /demotest, latest. To push the tagged image to the repository, execute the following command. Docker push tag image. When prompted for authentication, select Authorize. We've successfully pushed the image. Let's move back to the slide. Monitoring vulnerability scans. Let's check the vulnerability scan occurrences in the Artifact Registry repository. Let's go back to the repository. Click Refresh. We can see the image we pushed. Please select the image. We can see the vulnerability scanning in progress. Please wait a minute for the scan to complete. Select the Vulnerabilities section to view the detailed report. We can see all the statuses of the report, like critical, high, and medium. Based on these, we can resolve any issues. Conclusion. We have created the Artifact Registry and enabled the vulnerability scan, created a custom image using Cloud Shell, pushed it to the Artifact Registry, verified the vulnerability scan. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to comment or contact us at our email ID or contact us page. We will be happy to reply you. EasyDeploy is a team of GCP professionals. We have helped various organizations in adopting their cloud journey by architecting, implementing, and managing their environment on Google Cloud Platform with best practices.